Mission Filter Daily Life.
At tayo ay mag-ready na tayo. Kailangan natin makakasakyan. Okay, yan. Gumising na tayo at mag-prepare na po tayo. So today is January 5, 2026. Today is our mass vote day po namin. Thank you Lord for this. Maraming salamat po, Panginoon, sa biyaya niyo sa
sa loob ng classroom, kwento ay buhay. Gabay na tunay, hindi na papalitan kailanman. Mission Filter Daily Life, tunay na saya. Kwento ng guro at content creator sa isang araw lang. Totoo, masaya, walang halong arte. Bawat sandali, bawat kwento, nilalakad ng malaya. Daily Life, araw-araw, sama ka sa biyahe. Pag-uwi ng bahay, cellphone naman ang
So here we are now at the sports complex. So, kararating lang natin. Pila. Good morning.
Malakgan yun dito.
Apa when the time? Baka traffic, repairment pa traffic.
Wherever you are, please also join this mass of taking. Okay. So we will now start. Everyone, I state your name and your address. Having been appointed to state your position,
Having been appointed to teacher 6,
hereby solemnly swear
hereby solemnly swear
that I will faithfully discharge
that I will discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position
and of all others
and all others
that I may hereafter do
that I hereafter
under the Republic of the Philippines,
under the Republic of the Philippines,
to uphold and defend the Constitution,
to uphold and defend the Constitution,
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same,
and allegiance to the self,
that I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and decrees promulgated
and decrees promulgated
by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines,
of the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations